Yes. Yes. So 아니요. 친구가 아닙니다. 아니요. 친구가 아닙니다. 친구, what is 친구? Yes. 친구 is friend. Okay? If I will ask 여기가 극장입니까? 여기가 극장. What is 극장? 극장 is theater. Okay. Just can I? Okay. Or we can say cinema hall. 극장. 극장 is cinema hall. Okay. How to write? 극장. So my question was 여기가 극장입니까? 극장 is ending with a yes. So 극장 is ending with a consonant. So we will put e with it. So 아니요 극장이 아닙니다. Right? 아니요 극장이 아닙니다. 저것은 선풍기입니까? Negative. Just answer in negative form. Yes, 선풍기가 아닙니다. As 선풍기 is ending with a vowel. Okay. 아니요, 저것은 선풍기가 아닙니다. 이것은 책상입니까? 이것은 yes, 아니요, 책상이 아닙니다. And 책상 is ending with a consonant. 저것은 의자입니까? Yes, 아니요, 저것은 의자가 아닙니다. 의자 is ending with a vowel, so 의자가. 이것은 창문입니까? Yes, 이것은 창문이 아닙니다. 아니요, 이것은 창문이 아닙니다. 이것은 시계입니까? Right. 아니요, 이것은 시계가 아닙니다. 이분은 운전기사입니까? 이분은 yes. Yes. 운전기사. What is 운전기사? Do you know 운전기사? 몰라요? 운전 기사. Gisa. Unjon Gisa is driver. Okay, what to write Unjon Gisa? You can write Unjon Gisa like this. Okay, so how to reply? Ibunan Unjon Gisa Imnika. Yes. Yes. So Anyo Unjon Gisa Ga Animnida. Okay, are you clear about E and Ga? Any confusion? Great. So my next question will be Ibunan. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we can say Chal Murugesumnida. Chal Murugesumnida. So I don't know means Mullayo. So informal way we can say Mullayo, or informal way we can say Murugesumnida. Chal Murugesumnida. Okay. Okay. It is Murugesumnida is more formal. So in the beginning, yes. So actually in beginning I think we should try to learn more formal. So informal way I think comparatively it is easy and you can learn easily informal way. But first try to learn the formal way, okay, of learning a Korean language. This is more safe, okay. When we talk to your seniors or your elder, your professor, it is very good to use formal form. 모르겠습니다. It is 모르겠습니다. It is chal. Yes. Chal we can say chal is not very. I am not clear very much about this one. I do not know much about this one. We can say much or very is chal. Okay. So if I will ask 이분은 선생님입니까? 이분은 선생님입니까? Answer in negative form. Yes. Yes. 아니요. 이분은 선생님이 아닙니다. Okay, so in the beginning I think we need to practice it E and Ga, and later it will come automatically. Okay, fine. So if the noun is ending with a vowel, automatically it will come Ga. Okay, and ending with a consonant, it will come E. Fine, but in the beginning we have to practice it. Just practice it louder. Okay, just try to write like 10 sentence and reply in negative form. Just first write 10 questions and write 10 answer in negative form and try to speak it louder. Fine. So then it will come automatically. Later on it will come automatically. Fine. So now I think we are clear about Imnika. and now we can reply in both form, like affirmative or yes and no, negative, right? So now can you try, I will give you chance, just you can ask question first, okay, one question, and it's answered in positive or yes form, and one question it's answered in negative form. For example, 이것은 칠판입니까? 네, 칠판입니다. 저것은 나무입니까? 아니요, 나무가 아닙니다. Okay, so it's very easy. Just to try to raise question. First one question, it's reply in yes form. Then second question, it's reply in no form, negative form. Can you do it? Okay, who can try first? Others, just one moment, Vivek. Okay, so I would request others to please mute your mic, and if you want to speak, just you can unmute your mic. Okay. Okay, Vivek, go ahead. Yes, very good. Well done. Great. Okay, next. 감사합니다. Yes, so I would request just try to utilize your chance. It is very good chance to speak in class. Okay, so even it is wrong, no problem. So after all, you will learn something. I will correct it so that you will learn new thing. Okay, so just try to speak if you are getting chance. Very good. Yes, very good. Well done. Sanchari, right? Oh, okay. So it's very good. Well done. It is Namdong Sang. Okay, Namdong Sang. Sang. Okay, well done. Very good. 잘했어요. Okay, next. Others, can you try? Just any question. Just try to raise anything. Make any sentence with imnika. 안녕하세요. Yes, very good. 네, 너무 잘했어요. 감사합니다. Okay, next. Next, who can try? Yes, Vishal. Or should I ask name? If you can. May I ask Pooja? Yes? Yes, Pooja. It is 아니요, 아니요, 시계가 아닙니다. Okay, so 시계 is ending with the vowel. Sorry. So 시계 is ending with the vowel, ye vowel. So we will put ga with it. 아니요, 시계가 아닙니다. Right? Well done. 잘했어요. Okay. Next. Next. May I ask Subhas? Right. Very good. 네, 감사합니다. 벨렌 너무 잘했어요. Okay, fine. So I think we can do more practice at home with like Imnika. Okay, so just I will repeat few more sentences. Okay, and you can just repeat after me. Okay. 저것은 나무입니까? 네, 나무입니다. 네, 아니요, 나무가 아닙니다. 이것은 칠판입니까? 이것은 칠판입니까? 네, 칠판입니다. 아니요, 칠판이 아닙니다. 저분은 친구입니까? 저분은 친구입니까? 네, 저분은 제 친구입니다. 네, 저분은 제 친구입니다. 아니요, 친구가 아닙니다. 아니요, 친구가 아닙니다. 저분은 의사입니까? 저분은 의사입니까? 네, 저분은 의사입니다. 네, 저분은 의사입니다. 아니요, 의사가 아닙니다. 아니요, 의사가 아닙니다. Yes. So I think 저분은 we can use in both sentences. Okay. So in the beginning, I think try to speak as much as you can. So we can use 아니요, 저분은 의사가 아닙니다. That also fine, no any problem. No, there is no any rule. Okay, so it is as per your that convenience. Okay, yeah. 여기가 인도 식당입니까? 여기가 인도 식당입니까? 네, 여기가 인도 식당입니다. 네, 여기가 인도 식당입니다. 아니요, 여기가 인도 식당이 아닙니다. 아니요. 여기가 인도 식당이 아닙니다. 저기가 학교입니까? 저기가 학교입니까? 네, 저기가 학교입니다. 네, 저기가 학교입니다. 아니요, 저기가 학교가 아닙니다. 아니요, 저기가 학교가 아닙니다. 이것은 책상입니까? 이것은 책상입니까? 네, 책상입니다. 네, 책상입니다. 아니요, 책상이 아닙니다. 아니요, 책상이 아닙니다. 저분은 남자친구입니까? 저분은 남자친구입니까? 네, 저분은 남자친구입니다. 네, 저분은 남자친구입니다. 아니요, 남자친구가 아닙니다. 아니요, 남자친구가 아닙니다. 여기가 CP 시장입니까? 여기가 CP 시장입니까? 네, 여기가 CP 시장입니다. 네, 여기가 CP 시장입니다. 아니요, yes. 책상이 stable. 자, 그럼 아니요, 여기가 CP 시장이 아닙니다. 아니요, 여기가 CP 시장이 아닙니다. 저기가 서울대학교입니까? 저기가 서울대학교입니까? 네, 저기가 서울대학교입니다. 네, 저기가 서울대학교입니다. 아니요, 저기가 서울대학교가 아닙니다. 아니요, 저기가 서울대학교가 아닙니다. 이분은 어머니입니까? 이분은 어머니입니까? 네, 어머니입니다. 네, 어머니입니다. 아니요, 아니요, 어머니가 아닙니다. 아니요, 어머니가 아닙니다. Right? Hope it is clear. Okay. So 어머니 is mother. Yes. 어머니 is mother. 어머니 is mother. Okay, so hope I think interrogative ending, that is imnika, is clear to all of you. So I would request, just try to make as many sentences as you can, both in yes and no form. Okay, that is affirmative and negative form, and try to speak it louder. Also, I will share the soft copy of this chapter, so that you can practice at home also. And tomorrow, yes, so tomorrow we have invited one of our teacher, and he will give a brief presentation on a mini tour of Korea, that is related to Korean culture. Fine, so that will be probably 20 to 25 minutes of presentation from our end, and after that we will learn Korean number system also, that we will cover by tomorrow. Fine. Yeah. Yes, ne, yes, yeah, please. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. You want to say like all the vowels, they have single syllable, right? Like e, a, u, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. No, I do not think there is any rule like that. For example, just I would like to make it clear, like harmony. Okay, so harmony is ending with a vowel. So it is ending with a vowel. Okay, so what is your query? Like it is single syllable means. So for example, just I am writing two. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so okay, yeah, it will be Preeti. Okay, Preeti. Okay, and then Ga. So Preeti is ending with a vowel, so we'll put Ga, Preeti Ga. Okay, so you want to put sing also. So when I will put sing, then it will be Preeti Sing E. Okay. Consonant is always ending with two syllable. So yes, yes. Okay. Mm-hmm. No. So as I told you, like E we will put if the Korean word is ending with a consonant. Okay, so if the ending is a consonant, then we will put E, and if the word is ending with a vowel, then we will put Ga. So anyway, if it is not clear, so you can just ping me separately. Maybe I can give you more example with the for your query. Fine. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 So where is Odi? Where is Odi? So we will come to that also. It is Odi. Odi is where? Okay. It is where is Odi? Where are you going? Odi gayo. Odi gayo. Mm-hmm. Odi. So CP Sijang Odi Imnika. If I will ask where is CP market? CP Sijang Odi Imnika. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much for attending. Yeah. See you tomorrow.